are replaced with new ones throughout its life. This western gold chicken and egg are both speckled to help hide them on a lonely island beach. Many baby birds have camouflaged down, but their protective skin coloring when they become adults. Some male birds, like this peacock, grow their showy feathers that help them attack mates. This peacock's shimmering tail impresses the peahens and also makes him look bigger to enemies. Many birds grow feathers. Scientists think that millions of years ago evolved from dinosaurs, and that feathers evolved from scales. Birds grow scales too, but only when they dip.
Reach to the bird here. We're next in line. We're next in line. We'll reach to this one, okay? Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Looks like blue.
Do different things.
Sure, stay back.
Stay back. Birds bother to keep it dry and warm, but long flat feathers grow out of the wings and tail to help. Birds need to be very light to fly, so feathers weigh almost nothing. Baby chicks are covered with millions of tiny fluffy feathers. Down the check their skin until their full feathers go in. Birds' feathers fall out and are replaced with new ones through its life.
You know, grown birds have down shaped things. Underneath his feathers, you see all the fluffy gray stuff? That's down, just like what a baby bird has.
I've like kind of put on my
I'll let him hold you. Sorry, let you hold you.
Kind of works both ways.
Right?
When they argue each other and at each other, they do not know their limits. Megalodon likes to eat its always on a snake. Does not know that. Garbage Don is really stinky. He does not always are in a mess. Look kind of a lot like these dinosaurs. They always sleep.
So,